West Bengal is a state located in the eastern part of India, which is known for its rich culture, heritage, its contribution in the field of music, art, literature, cinema, and the political uprising of the nation. The capital city of West Bengal is called Kolkata, which is also known as the City of Joy. The state has its deep cultural insights in Ravindra Sangeet, Ravindra Nitya, Bengali cinemas, and the Baul music, which is the folk music of Bengal. The renowned festival, which is also world famous Durga Puja, is celebrated in the land of Bengal. Along with it, Kali Puja and Pohela Boishakh, which is also a Bengali New Year, is celebrated in West Bengal. The famous textiles like Tat saris, Baluchari saris, and Solapit craft are from the land of Bengal. The famous tea plantation of Darjeeling, which is renowned globally, is also from Bengal. The world famous mangrove forest Sundarban, which includes species like Royal Bengal tiger, Irrawaddy dolphins, and critically endangered species river terrapin, is from the land of Bengal. The Regulating Act of 1773 was brought by the British government in India, through which the land of India was divided into three presidencies: Bengal, Bombay, and Madras. In 1698, three villages from Bengal, Sutanati, Kalikata, and Govindpur, was transformed and converted into a single city by the British East India Company, then known as Calcutta and now known as Kolkata. The first political party of India, Indian National Congress, also initiated its political ability fight against the British government from the land of Bengal.